In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products using Hostinger Website Builder. If you want to offer downloadable items like ebooks, templates, guides, music files, or other digital content, Hostinger makes the setup process simple and beginner-friendly. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to access the right section of your website, create a digital product, and save it so it's ready to be part of your online store. To begin, open your Hostinger account and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for your website and click on it. This will take you to the main area where you can manage your site settings, design, and store features. If you have multiple websites in your account, make sure you're selecting the correct one before moving forward. Next, click Edit Website. This opens the Hostinger Website Builder, where you can customize both the appearance and functionality of your site. Give it a moment to load fully so you can access all the tools without interruption. Once you're inside the editor, go to the left-hand panel and click Manage Store. This is the section where all your e-commerce tools are located, including products, orders, and store-related settings. Since we're focusing on digital products, this is where you'll create the item your customers will be able to purchase and download. After that, click the Product button and then select Add New Product. This starts the product creation process. When prompted to choose a product type, select Digital Product. This is important because digital products work differently from physical items. They don't require shipping, inventory tracking in the same way, or delivery by mail, so choosing the correct type ensures the store is configured properly. Now, enter the necessary details for your product. This typically includes the product name, description, price, and any digital file or information associated with the item. Take your time here and make sure the details are clear and accurate. A strong title and a helpful description can make a big difference in helping customers understand exactly what they're buying. Once everything is filled in, click Save. That will store your digital product in your Hostinger online shop, so you can continue setting up your store or review the product before publishing it live. And that's it. You've now gone through the core process of adding a digital product in Hostinger Website Builder. Make sure to double-check your product details after saving so everything appears the way you want for your customers.